Okay, guys, I saw you in the last video, and then you just folded like this or something like a triangle side. Now you will see this pattern, and then you just copy it on the other side, and then do the same on the other paper, like this. This is how I made it first. I fold it like this, just like in the last video. And then I did this, the triangle side. And then I did it wrong. Sorry. And then you have to, oh, wait, I did it wrong again. Okay. There we go. And then copy it on the other side, but the other way, upside down, like this. And now you make some kind of shape like this. Look. First, you just do it here, and then you have to do this. And then if this ends, it's not my fault, it's YouTube's fault. Production music. But if this ends, and I'll make another video. And now you just, the one that I did earlier, when you were just having a tea break. Are you having a tea break, guys? Where's my viewers? Where's the paparazzi? Where's Lady Gaga? I have no Lady Gaga. So I use this. And then you have a dachi. And then just copy it on the other two. Well, goodbye. See you in the next video.